Action.
Here's a fact. 93% of every vinyl siding job here in the Midwest are not warrantable by the manufacturer. And what I mean by that is that they were not properly installed to begin with. That means about 1 in 20 vinyl siding jobs are improperly installed and will not carry the warranty from the manufacturer. That's really bad. Here's why. There's not enough education in this area, and companies aren't requesting education in the area and getting certified in the area. All of our guys are VSI, Vinyl Siding Institute certified to install properly. Not only the salesmen, but the installers. So when we install a job, we know that you have to have 9 inches of ice and water around every penetration, every door, every window has to have it. The garage has to have it. The light blocks have to have it. The hose bibs have to have it. The outlets for electrical have to have it. Every penetration that goes through that wall has to have a 9-inch ice and water wrap. That's one. When you run your last course of siding, where it snaps into the top, is it sides from bottom to top. The top course, there's a special tool. There's a special punch tool that has to be used to snap punch that last course and snap it in to the receiver up under the soffit. If you don't do it, you voided the warranty. There's a special way you have to do J-channel around these windows. If you don't do it, you voided the warranty. Same with your corners. If your overlap between your two panels, if you have a seam out here and you don't do your overlap, you've only got a little tiny bit of play there, maybe a 1/4 inch. If you don't do your overlaps between panels properly, you voided the warranty. If you don't have the right distance from the corner piece to the end of the vinyl run, you voided the warranty. That's same true as for an inside or an outside corner. Vinyl moves. As it heats up, it expands, and as it cools down, it shrinks. Therefore, these specs change a little bit from winter to summer. You got to know that. You got to know how much your vinyl expands. So if you put it on in the winter time and it's cold, it's at its smallest, it's shrunk as small as it's going to get. When it heats up, it's going to expand. A 10-foot can expand as much as 3/8 or a 1/2 inch. So you have to have enough room, and the nails can't be tight. You do not tight nail your siding. If you can't grab that panel and move it, you voided the warranty. Because when that panel heats up in the summertime, that was installed in the winter, when it heats up, it will oil can. Wherever there's a nail, it will oil can. So there's all of these specifications that are required by the manufacturer for companies like us in order to be certified, which we are. And we certify our crews. We have continuing education. So everything we do at A&A Exteriors is through education and training from the manufacturers and the institutions that certify these products. So we make sure that all of our people are up in training on an annual or biannual basis, whatever's required by the manufacturer. For siding, with mastic and ply gem, everything we do is as per their specifications. It's very important that you know that. Again, I'm going to repeat, 93% of all the vinyl that you see is not installed and has voided the warranty from the day it was done.